Hi, I'm going to be going over how to make an update to a clearance in RPM 14, which is what we use for RMS 14 items. So I am already in the system for RPM 14, but if you need to search it, it would be RPM, and it would be this little icon right here. So what we're going to want to do is navigate to clearances, maintain clearance, and then we're going to need the item number. So that's going to be the big thing with RMS 14 is rather than the VPN, we need the department and the item. So what the buying office gave me was the VPN, so I'm going to have to navigate back to RMS 14, and I'm going to paste in my VPN. And then I'm going to select my item level to be style so that I can just grab that style level quick and hit search. So from there, I'm going to grab that item number. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to navigate back to my RPM. So I'm going to just paste that item in here and hit enter. You will notice this pops back pretty quick, but RPM is notorious for clocking. So if it doesn't immediately pull back, just give it a few minutes and the item should pop up. So from here, I'm also going to enter in that department number, which is department 848. 848. As you can see, it's clocking with the department. Okay, perfect. So my department flowed over. So what I'm going to do from here is hit search. And if you already know the clearance ID, so that number that's generated when the clearance is made, you can also enter that in rather than the specific item. My item disappeared, so I'm going to repaste that guy in. Okay, so from here, we're going to hit search. We'll let that populate. So when we are editing an item, we cannot make any updates to an executed item other than setting the out of stock date, or we can reset. So I'm going to look at one of these worksheet ones. And because these have already been set, it needs to be in approved status so that we can pop it back into worksheet for us to make an update. So if you were to actually update, you would be able to pop it into worksheet, hit that action, hit worksheet and update, and then you would be able to go in and make that change amount right here or the change type. You can change the effective date. And those are the three that you can really make that up to. And then you would be able to go in and select your line once you've made that update, and you would do actions, select, and the drop down and approve, and you would hit update. So that would make that. With this, I don't have any examples that actually will let me action. But as soon as you go in and you hit that update and you wait for that notification down here saying it has gone through, then that update to your clearance has been made. And that is how you update a clearance in RPM 14. Thank you.